Today's topic is about schemes under the National Trust Act 1999 for the welfare of persons with disabilities. The National Trust is a statutory body of the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, sets up under the National Trust for the welfare of persons with autism, cerebral palsy, mental retardation, and multiple disability. The vision of National Trust is an inclusive society which values human diversity and empowers full participation of persons with disability to live independently with dignity, equal right and opportunities. The National Trust work for the welfare of persons with following four disabilities: autism, cerebral palsy, mental retardation and multiple disability. Now we will discuss about different scheme of National Trust. Disha, Early Intervention and School Readiness Scheme. This is an early intervention and school readiness scheme for the children in the age group of 0 to 10 years, with the four disability covered under the National Trust Act, and aims at setting up Disha centers for early intervention for persons with disability through therapies, trainings, and providing support to the family members. Registered organization should provide daycare facility to persons with disability for at least 4 hours in a day between 8 to 6 p.m. along with the age-specific activities. There should be a special educator or early intervention therapist, physiotherapist, or occupational therapist and counselor for persons with disability along with a caregiver and ayahs in the center. Vikas, the daycare. This is the daycare scheme preliminary to expand the range of opportunities available to a person with disability for enhancing interpersonal and vocational skills as they are on a transition to higher age groups. The center will also offer caregiving support to a person with disability during the time the person with disability is in the Vikas center. In addition, it also helps in supporting family members of persons with disabilities covered under the National Trust Act to get some time during the day to fulfill other responsibilities. Registered organization should provide daycare facility to persons with disability for at least 6 hours in a day between 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. along the age-specific activities. Daycare should be open for at least 21 days in a month. Samarth, respite care. The objective of Samarth scheme is to provide respite home for orphans or abandoned families in the crisis and also the person with disability from BPL and LIG families including destitute with at least one of the four disability covered under the National Trust Act. It also aims at creating opportunities for family members to get respite time in order to fulfill other responsibility. This scheme aims at setting up Samarth Center for providing group home facility for all age groups with adequate and quality care service with acceptable living standards, including provision of basic medical care from professional doctors. Gharonda, Group Home for Adults. The objective of Gharonda scheme is to provide an assured home and minimum quality of care services throughout the life of the person with autism, cerebral palsy, mental retardation and multiple disability with adequate and quality care services with acceptable living standard, including provision of basic medical care from professional doctors. Gharonda Center should provide vocational activities, pre-vocational activities and assistance for further training. Niramaya Health Insurance Scheme. The objective of Niramaya scheme is to provide affordable health insurance to the person with autism, cerebral palsy, mental retardation and multiple disabilities. All enrolled beneficiaries will get a health insurance cover up to 1 lakh as defined in the chart OPD treatment including the medicines, pathology, diagnostic test, regular medical checkup for non-ailing disabled, dental preventive dentistry, surgery to prevent further aggravation of disability, non-surgical hospitalization, corrective surgery for existing disability, including congenital disability, ongoing therapies to reduce impact of disability and disability-related complication, alternative medicines and transportation cost. Sahayogi Caregiver Training Scheme. This scheme aims at setting up caregiver cells to provide training and create a skilled workforce of caregiver to provide adequate and nurturing care for persons with disability and their families who require it. It also seeks to provide parents an opportunity to get trained in caregiving if they desire so. This scheme will provide a choice of training through two levels of courses, primary and advanced, to allow it to create caregivers suited to work both with persons with disabilities, their families and other institute catering to the needs of persons with disabilities. Gyan Prabha Educational support. Gyan Prabha scheme aims to encourage people with autism, cerebral palsy, mental retardation and multiple disability for pursuing educational, vocational courses like graduation courses, professional courses and vocational training lead to employment or self-employment. National Trust will provide a specific amount per course to a person with disability with which will generally covers fees, transportation, books, out-of-pocket expenses, etc. Prerana Marketing Assistant. Prerana is the marketing assistance scheme of National Trust with an objective to create viable and whispered channel for sales of products and services produced by person with disability covered under National Trust Act. This scheme aims at providing funds to participate in events such as exhibition, melas, fairs, etc. to sell the product made by person with disability. The scheme also provides an incentive to the registered organization based on sales turnover of the product made by PWDs. National Trust shall fund registered organization participation in national, regional, state and district level events such as fair, exhibition, melas, etc. for marketing and selling products and services prepared by persons with disabilities. However, at least 51% of employees of this work center should be persons with disabilities covered under National Trust Act. Sambhav Aids and Assisted Devices. This is a scheme to set up additional resource centers, one each in each city of the country with population greater than 5 million as per 2011 census to collate and collect the aids, software and other form of assistive devices developed with the provision of display and demonstration of the devices. The scheme also includes maintaining information pertaining to the AIDS assistive device present at Sambhav Center on National Trust website. This center aims to provide information and easy access to devices, appliances, aids, software for better and empowerment of persons with disability of National Trust disabilities. There shall also be provision of display and demonstration of the device to the concerned stakeholders. Badhte Kadam, Awareness and Community Interaction. This scheme shall support registered organization of the National Trust to carry out activities that focus on increasing the awareness of the National Trust disabilities. Aims of scheme to create community awareness, sensitization, social integration and mainstreaming of the person with disabilities. The National Trust shall sponsor a maximum of 4 events for each registered organization per year. Each registered organization should conduct at least one event, either for the community, educational institute, or medical institute in a year.